Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to install Microsoft Graph. As you know, Microsoft has retired MSOnline and AzureAd modules. And as you can see from this post, MSOnline retirement date was early April 2025 to late May 2025. If you don't know that Microsoft has retired this service or module, and if you decide to connect to Microsoft Online service, you will get access. Then now you don't have permissions to call this commandlet, and the reason is because this module has been retired. And Microsoft Graph PowerShell is the replacement for MSOnline module. And in this short video, I will show you how you can install this module. And in my next video, I will show how you can use Microsoft Graph to run reports. First, we're going to run PowerShell as an admin, and then we're going to install Microsoft Graph module. And here's the command. So for scope, I'm using AllUsers because I'm going to install for all users on this machine. If you don't have admin rights, you can use scope CurrentUser. So it's totally up to you. But for this scenario, I'm going to use AllUsers. Press enter, click yes to all. Alright, module has been installed. Now we're going to test the installation. To test, you're going to run this command. And here's the version. Now we're going to connect to the Microsoft Graph. In order to connect, you need to use this command. We are connected, and I'm going to type get manage user, and as you can see, I'm connected to my tenant. As I mentioned, this is going to be a very short video. The focus is to install Microsoft Graph. On my next video, I will show how you can run reports. I hope you liked this video. See you all next time.